Tired, overwhelmed, or unsure whether you're doing enough as a parent, this message is for you. Parenting doesn't come with a manual. Most of us are simply doing the best we can with the time, energy, and information we have. Feeling overwhelmed does not mean you are failing. It means you care. Children don't need perfect parents. They need parents who show up, who listen, and who keep trying, even on the difficult days. Every calm moment, every kind word, every time you choose patience over frustration, it matters more than you realize. Growth doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly, through consistency and care. If today felt messy, that doesn't erase all the good you've already done. Be gentle with yourself. You are learning too. And if no one has told you this today, you are doing better than you think.